What's up, guys? It's Jimmy over here at Signature Performance. We got a brand new 2026 F250 here. This is actually a buddy of mine's truck. He hit me up, knew exactly who to call, and he wanted all the goodies on his truck. He wanted to make it comfortable for him and his girlfriend. They tow quite a bit with this truck. First, we started off with some wheels and tires. Wanted 37s. Wanted to skip 35s, go straight to 37s. So we hooked him up with some 37, 12.5, 18s. These are going to be an 18x9 KMC wheel. These are going to be the positive 18 offset, which is a 5.7 back spacing. To obviously get these guys to fit, we went ahead and we did the Readylift 2-inch spacer on there as well. Customer wanted absolutely no rubbing. So I'm sure you guys know that these trucks come with a huge front spoiler on there. So what most people do is they cut them up. What we do here at Signature Performance is we completely get rid of that thing and we get the small 2-inch Tremor package front lip on there. So the other things that customer wanted to do is he didn't want to have to jump in his truck, right? So we went ahead and we hooked him up with some amp steps. Obviously they're auto retractable, so makes it way easier for him and his girlfriend to get in and out of the truck. Beautiful product there. Customer also wanted his stuff protected, so what we hooked him up with was a amp research backflip, low profile, locks with the bed. Perfect addition to add to his brand new truck. Keep all his goodies safe. Last thing he does, and most importantly, he tows around 18,000 pounds with this guy. So we had to get him a weight distribution hitch, make sure he's safe while he's towing. He does go back and forth, Lake Havasu, up north, Glamis. He hits a lot of the good spots. So obviously hooked up my buddy. We're excited to show him. He's gonna be here in about 5 minutes, so good to go. All right, guys, and one of the things we consistently get calls for here is what tire looks the most aggressive, drives the best on the highway, and it can also handle the load of these big guys, these F250s, 350s, 450s. One of the best tires that we always recommend is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. One, because there's two sides of the tire. This guy opted to go with the more aggressive side. Two is the load capacity of these guys. When fully aired up to 80 PSI, they hold around 4,000 pounds per tire. Kind of get the best of both worlds with these guys too, because looks like a mud terrain, performs and handles like an all-terrain. So you're gonna get that comfort on the road. You're not gonna get the humming. We're not gonna hear you coming from half a mile down the road. If you guys have a newer truck, 2026, and you guys get it off the dealership lot, you guys wanna bring it here to us, get it all kitted out, let us know. You could talk to anybody in the office. My name is Jimmy. You can speak to Raymond, you can speak to Daniel. We're here located in Orange County, California, Costa Mesa specifically. Plenty of things around here. We got beaches, we got Disneyland, we got a ton of food places around here. So if you're out of the area, give us a call. We'll arrange something for you and we'll get you taken care of.